people think that they're going to have this ooh-ha moment of healing and transformation. It doesn't happen like that. It's very, in beats, and the people that I've worked with, and I work very long term with people. And when we talk about sort of kind of moments of transformation, they often don't see it. Some of the things that
Right.
happen is they don't see it. They don't
It's
know that they're
true.
getting better because they're still like, there's so much more. Like, you come into the session and like you find
Hmm.
another memory, not another one, like,
Yep.
I thought we got past that. And I'm
I
like,
know that
girl,
feeling. I know that feeling.
yeah. It's like, not another one. Like,
Dang it,
and
there's
even
another
though,
one, and there's another one.
yeah, like, not another one. But yeah, like, there is that relationship that's starting to build. One of the things that people say is there's less of that sort of kind of like depressive anxiety feeling. And
Right.
if it comes, they can come out of it, like, like they come out of it more quicker. It's very subtle, like, even being able to just know what they're feeling and being able to analyze, and
Hmm.
noticing things, even when change isn't happening. Like, I wasn't able to set that boundary, but I noticed that I should have set a boundary.
Right. That's a
Important.
step. That's a
It's a
step in the right
step.
direction.
It's a step. And I'm like, yeah, we notice.
Yeah.
We can even feel that we need a boundary. Like, look at that. Like, and I'm like so joyous, like so happy. And they're like, but I didn't set the boundary. And I'm like, but we're noticing that's a stage, like,
That's
conscious
huge.
incompetence. That's a stage. That's a
Because you were
very,
just living
very,
your life automatically without even paying
yeah.
attention. And now you're starting to
Absolutely.
notice that that's the first big step.
Uh-huh.
And
Uh-huh.
it's so true because, how I measure, and I suggest to my clients and stuff, how they measure their healing is just think where you were 6 months ago, a
Mm-hmm.
year, 5 years
Mm-hmm.
ago, 10
Mm-hmm.
years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Where were you in
Mm-hmm.
that? And where are you today? Because
Mm-hmm.
healing, you're right, it is baby steps. It's a
It
lot of
is
baby steps. And it feels
love.
like, oh, I'm not getting anywhere. But when you stop and you go, wait a minute, especially when something happens and you respond differently
Mm-hmm.
than you did
Mm-hmm.
before, and you
Yeah,
realize that you're like,
absolutely.
wow, the old
Mm-hmm.
Lisa would have just blown up and just been
Mm-hmm.
crazy and
Mm-hmm.
had to clean up this whole mess. This
Mm-hmm.
time she took a pause before she responded. So
Mm-hmm.
it's all those little things. And that's what's really important on your, don't you agree, on your healing journey, is that you look back and you look where you were. That's going to
Mm-hmm.
give you a measure of where you are today and your
Mm-hmm.
growth.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely. It is. It is. It's a lot of little steps. The moment of even, like, sometimes the moment that can be so overwhelming is starting to see, oh, right. Like, starting to put the pieces together. It's so
Exactly.
overwhelming because you can then start to understand, like, damn, like, it's really bad. It's really, really bad. It's really, really bad. And that is good. I know it's uncomfortable. I know it's intense, but it's nice to know, like, at least we can put confusion to the side. We can put this sense of, I don't know what's happening with me. Now we know. We can plan. We can start to sort of, this is what needs to happen in order for this not to be happening anymore.